Want more restaurant website design videos like this? Then, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more videos like this. A restaurant website is a powerful tool that significantly impacts the long-term success of a restaurant. With more and more customers turning to the internet for different needs, a restaurant website helps to reach more customers and gain their trust. So let's take a closer look at why every restaurant owner should invest in a website for their business. Reason number 1, improves branding. Branding is crucial for all types of businesses as it sets you apart from your competitors and establishes a unique identity for your business. With proper branding, you can make a memorable impression in the minds of customers. A good restaurant website is a valuable branding tool. It will create a professional image for your business and impress potential customers. You can further use your website to highlight your uniqueness and communicate what your restaurant is all about. By effectively engaging their interest, you have a better chance of tempting customers to visit you. Reason number 2, improves awareness of your restaurant among customers. Do you know where potential customers search for recommendations on restaurants? The internet, of course. Potential visitors may look for you on the internet based on suggestions from friends, associates, or from restaurant review sites. So, if your restaurant has a website, customers can easily find you on the internet. This will help your business enjoy better visibility and form a favorable impression in the minds of new customers. Make your website attractive with enticing images, contact information, and positive customer reviews, and you can convince these online visitors to seek you out. Reason number 3, provides information and convenience to customers. A website is a great platform to share relevant information with customers about your restaurant. You can share location and contact details, operating hours, menu, and prices. Your restaurant website can also highlight your unique services or products. Keep guests informed about special deals and new offers by regularly updating your website, and they will keep returning to you. When potential customers are impressed with the look and feel of your website, they are more likely to make a reservation. By adding suitable widgets, you can even allow customers to book their table through your restaurant website. Not only will this be very convenient for them, but it will also streamline the reservation process and help you manage your bookings better. Reason number 4, improves customer trust. Most customers want to know what others think of a restaurant before they visit it. So, they often look at previous customer reviews to decide. Favorable online reviews and testimonials will enhance the credibility of your restaurant. Use your website to highlight positive and honest customer testimonials, and build a strong online reputation. For this, you can ask customers to post reviews on your website after they visit your restaurant and experience your services. Or you can ask them to rate and review your restaurant on your Google My Business listing. You can also use your website to draw attention to newspaper or magazine articles and awards that your restaurant has won. This will create a favorable impression in the minds of potential customers. Reason number 5, acts as a low-cost and highly efficient marketing channel. Traditional advertising methods, like billboards, pamphlets, and print advertisements, are no longer very effective. Instead, online advertising improves your chances of getting noticed by new customers. A business website is one of the most cost-effective and efficient ways to market your restaurant. Use your website to treat your customers to a virtual tour of your restaurant. Post attractive photographs of the items on your menu and cheerful images of your staff. Impress guests with sneak peeks into your seating arrangements and decor. You can also add promotional coupons and details of ongoing and upcoming deals, or new items on the menu. If your restaurant offers services like banquet hall facilities or catering for private events, promote those too through your website. Reason number 6, differentiates you from your competitors. The hospitality industry is highly competitive, with new restaurants appearing on the scene every other day. So, restaurant owners must do whatever is necessary to get ahead of the game and establish themselves. Look on the internet, and you will notice that most professional restaurants have their own websites. Not only does this create a professional image for their business, but it also persuades customers that they are to be taken seriously. Unless you invest in similar technological updates, your restaurant will lose the competitive edge. Promote your restaurant through a good quality website, and you will naturally be noticed by more customers. This will give you a competitive advantage over other restaurants without an online presence. It will also put you at par with front runners in this competitive sphere. Reason number 7, the world is going online. As a restaurant owner who caters to the current generation of consumers, your path to success will be very challenging without a website. Since most restaurant visitors are web-savvy, you should realize that most of your customers will simply move to the next choice if they can't find information about you online. So, you are literally invisible to most of your customer base without a strong online presence and do not stand a chance of getting noticed without a website. Cater to the expectations of your customers and communicate your existence using an efficient restaurant website for your business to succeed and grow. Now that you know why you need a restaurant website, are you wondering how much is it actually going to cost you to create your restaurant website? I have created a detailed tutorial listing all the costs associated with creating a restaurant website. Click the link that is displaying right now at the top of this video to watch that tutorial. If you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like icon below, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.